Hi, I'm Dr. Sundeep. I graduated from University College London with a PhD in neuroscience in 2013. In my previous video for UCL alumni, I talked about the field of artificial intelligence, career prospects, as well as the state of AI in the Indian ecosystem. I received a lot of questions to my previous video, and in this set of videos, I will answer 5 of those questions. This is a very pertinent question, as I believe that AI will generate many new jobs in the years to come. Not only will it generate new jobs, but it will also significantly transform the way we do some of our jobs currently. The early professionals in AI were those with deep expertise in topics like statistics, computer science, neuroscience, and so on. But we have already witnessed in the last decade the significant impact that AI has had on diverse fields like finance, healthcare, education, retail, law, governance, and so on. So, my advice to current students, regardless of whatever topic you're studying, is that be aware that AI will definitely have an influence on your area of study, right? So, continue to develop a deep domain expertise and learn to appreciate the data that is specific to that particular domain, right? So if you're a student who in law, understand legal text and corpora and think about how techniques from AI can be used to automate some of the current workflows that you have, right? It will become easier and easier to use and adopt tools and technologies from AI to assist you with the hardcore aspects of programming and building machine learning models, right? So my advice is to continue to develop a deep domain expertise, understand and appreciate how data is generated from the domain that you are currently studying, and keep an open eye for new tools and technologies that will help embrace the ideas from AI to your specific domain. As AI transformed from an academic discipline to a practical necessity for most businesses around the world, a lot of new jobs were created. The core technical jobs of a data scientist, data engineer, machine learning engineer, as well as a machine learning scientist are in high demand and will continue to be so in the years to come. Apart from these core technical jobs, there's also a requirement for professionals who combine skills at the intersection of AI and another domain, for instance, law, ethics, governance, trust, privacy, and so on. There are several challenges facing the world of AI. To name a few, these include explainability, bias, fairness, trust, ethics, privacy, governance, as well as the economics of AI. Explainability is a critical challenge because it is important to understand and share how does an AI model make certain predictions. For domains like finance or healthcare, it becomes especially more important to understand what are the predictions that we are serving to the customers. Other challenges such as bias, fairness, and trust are quite complicated and are often due to the fact that we do not have data sets to train AI models that are diverse, heterogeneous, and cover all the different types of populations or customers. When we train AI models with imbalanced data, this creates predictions that are skewed and perform well for a specific class or a specific population. We have seen grave consequences of such biased models, and this is an important challenge that the field needs to tackle. AI safety is another crucial challenge. It is important for corporations, startups, as well as governments to work together and ensure that AI is not weaponized and used discriminately against certain populations. We have already witnessed some grave consequences of this, and it's important for the field to recognize this and invest and work collaboratively to make sure that AI continues to remain safe for everyone. It is a challenge for everyone, including those working in the field of AI, to keep pace with the latest developments in the field. My suggestion for those who come from a non technical background is to keep an open mind, be curious, read the news, talk to professionals, both from a technical and non technical background, and try to understand the potential impact of AI on your work and career. Apart from a professional impact, AI can also significantly influence our quality of life. Every day, there are new startups emerging which are releasing new products and apps that make things simpler and easier for a variety of customers and for a variety of use cases. The most important thing to realize about AI is that it will inevitably bring about innovation and improvements in current workflows. India is a very diverse and complex country. It is home to more than a billion people who speak more than 300 languages, have different levels of income, as well as access to technology. This creates unique challenges for developing AI for India. There are a number of startups that have emerged over the last 5 to 6 years that are tackling some of the unique challenges of India with the help of AI. Some of these examples include language understanding, given the diversity of Indian languages and the number of people who speak these varied regional languages. Other examples are focused on better financial access because India is a country where a lot of people do not have sustainable levels of income and need capital or loans to build new products or start their own businesses. Other examples focus on better access to healthcare, education, and even governance. I recently came across a startup that is using AI to drive real positive impact. This particular startup partners with financial institutions such as banks to provide access to banking operations to customers in Tier 3 for India using voice on a mobile app. Earlier, these customers needed to take a day off from work and travel long distances to the nearest bank. But now, with the help of voice AI enabled by this startup, they're able to seamlessly conduct banking operations and access finance and capital in a much more timely fashion. Similar to this, there are many other examples of startups that are driving positive impact in finance, healthcare, education, agriculture, and so on. So, if you're a budding entrepreneur, India is home to a big market and a lot of problems and challenges that you can solve using AI, and the time to build is now.